Hi, this is Anita at WannaBee Chef. Just gonna show you a healthy way to make noodles, pastas, and use them either way in Asian style foods or using it in Italian as spaghetti. So I am making a real healthy version using zucchini. All I did is cut the ends out, washed it well, but do not peel it. So here we go. I'm sorry, just gonna turn my camera closer. And there we go. Some nice pasta. Actually, this is a great lunch. You can do this ahead. And all I did was put it in my spiralizer. What I'm using is called a spiralizer. And you just put it in on both ends with the ends cut. Clamp it down tight and just keep going like this. Look how beautiful we have. Great pasta or noodles. And today I'm actually going to make it Italian style noodles. So all I'm doing is going like this. And as I told you, it's important not to peel the zucchini because it's going to become mush very quick, since zucchini is a very soft, watery vegetable. So this can be eaten raw, or if you prefer it cooked, you can just give it a slight warm stir fry by keeping it really quick. You don't want to cook this too long, okay? So this is what we get left with, some things like this in the end, okay? There we go. So this is some beautiful, look at this, the colors of the zucchini. So now I am gonna do it like a tricolor pasta, actually a two-color pasta right now. I am going to do a carrot. So just to show you some beautiful colors with the veggies. And if your vegetable is really long, like my carrot is, cut it in half. And again, clamp it in place in your spiralizer. Tighten it, hold your handle, and go this way. And you go like this with the carrot. So I'm gonna do these as a real quick stir fry with some Italian seasonings like garlic and oregano and basil. So look at this. Here we go with the carrot noodles. It's just to give, you know, when you eat your vegetables, giving them some color is very important because you really eat with your eyes. So there we go. So you have some zucchini and some, look at the colors of these together, how pretty they look. And what I'm gonna be doing today is stir frying these with some very interesting veggies. I have some mushrooms here. I have some beautiful cherry tomatoes, some peppers, a slightly hot pepper, and some garlic, and with just basic Italian seasonings. So it's just gonna be a very easy lunch, just kind of stir fried together. And you know, I will send you a picture of the completed dish, since we, you know, will be very long stir frying it, but it's very simple. You just throw in your garlic and some olive oil, slice it up or crush it however you like, and put in some oregano and basil, and quickly put in first your mushrooms, your peppers sliced, and then at the very end you put in your pasta. It's really quick, it's really easy, and it's super delicious. So this is Anita at WannaBee Chef, and thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this dish as much as I do. And bye.